Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out another new Shopmissa product. Well, new to me. I got this in my recent Shopmissa haul, which that video with so many products that I picked up recently is now up on my YouTube channel. And this here is from the brand Malibu Glitz, and it's the fascinating It Curl Lash Curling Mascara. Isn't this pretty packaging? This looks like a really big mascara, but it only cost $1. Well, for me, it cost 75 cents because I got this in my Cyber Monday purchase. But I'm really excited about this because, first of all, I love trying out mascaras, but I am really looking for a great curling mascara. I use a lot of lash treatments like lash serums that I think really have helped to lengthen my lashes, but I also just feel like my lashes are getting more and more straight. Like, I'll try and curl them with a lash curler and that will barely do anything. So I really want a nice curling mascara. So let's see if this mascara does what it claims and curls the lashes. Whoa! This is a very interesting looking wand and it's huge. Here is what that looks like. I don't even understand this shape. Like, why is it shaped like that? I mean, I'm gonna try it now and maybe I will understand this odd shape. But I do like that it's spiky bristles, but these are huge. Okay, I am so intrigued. Let's see how it is on my lashes. I personally prefer a smaller mascara wand. I don't want to get mascara all over my eyelid and under eye. And I mean, I feel like this is so big, I'm more just using the top section. But I don't know. It's kind of a tangly mascara, if that makes sense. Like, I feel like it's kind of hard to brush through the lashes. And it's like creating tangles in my lashes, you know, like tangles in your hair. It's looking kind of flaky. The lashes are already starting to stick together. It barely gave any volume, and it also did not evenly coat the lashes. So it feels dry as well. Like, I'm already gonna dip the wand back in. I do like to build up my mascaras, so let's see what happens. It's so clumpy and hard to apply. Oh my gosh. Like, this is a brand new mascara and I just pulled out a giant like fuzz. What is going on? This is like really bad. It's so clumpy. It's literally tangling up my lashes, making them look all like jaggedy, diagonal. It's like impossible to brush through them. Clumpy. The more I apply, the worse this is getting. Surprisingly, it's not very messy on my eyelid for such a giant wand. Like, this absolutely cannot work on the lower lash line though. I can barely get any of the lashes, and wherever I actually can apply some of the mascara, it just creates like a clump that does not brush through. Oh gosh. I mean, this does not have great ratings on the Shopmissa website, and I really need to learn to trust the ratings because I feel like you can really go off of the ratings on the Shopmissa website. Like, I usually always agree with those ratings. Like, this is just so strange. It kind of feels almost like glue. It's very sticky. I mean, I don't even know why I'm continuing to use it because I will never use this again. Like, it just does not look good. Like, can you see the lashes? You barely can. It's just so unflattering. It's not doing anything good for the lashes. Wow. Okay, yeah, it's like the more I try and apply and like fix how the lashes are looking, the worse it looks, the more clumpy, messy the lashes start to look. So I need to stop myself. It's so hard for me to stop applying mascara when my lashes don't look how I want them to look and it's not built up to what I want my lashes to look like. But I have to stop here because this is bad. Don't even waste your time or money on this. Thank goodness I only spent 75 cents on this mascara because this has to go in the trash. Like, I feel like it's gonna make my lashes worse. Just like once I take this off, like hopefully this comes off pretty easily, but it's just like so clumpy and my lashes hopefully do not like rip out because of how stuck together they feel. But that's why I do this series, to try out the products, so hopefully you don't have to have these bad experiences. So thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.